So it's always great when your kid says, I have a school project coming up, and you get to pick something they like. So the pick was a sea turtle. So I found a file on Etsy. It's only, I don't know, a few dollars. I just did the roughing pass with a 1/4 inch end mill. Typically with 3D I'll use a tapered ball nose, but this one I chose to use an 1/8 inch ball nose, so the cut time's not going to be as long. So the roughing pass on this with the 1/4 inch took about 18 minutes. Alright, so when you do a 3D cut, this is the screen you'll get in the Onefinity when you're about to, when you hit play, and it asks you, do you have the right bit in? You just hit continue, and we're off. So, when you own a CNC and your kid has a school project, take some time to talk to them, see what they want. I think this turned out amazing. And this was just 3/4 inch panel board from Lowe's, but turned out great. Let me know what you think.